What is a code 9 chamber sensor failure on a gas hot water tank?
What's the brand and model of your water tank? How old is it?
Whirlpool ###.
How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool water tank? What have you tried so far?
Just install the replacement temperature control assemble. Pilot light, but a code 9 chamber valve failure appeared and gas did not fire.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No sludge in tank, no leaks, had it drained and refilled with no problem, gas connection in place. Cannot figure how to get past this code 9.
Hi, I'm Mike and I have 20+ years of experience as a plumber. I am sorry you are having issues. I'll be glad to assist you today. There is likely a faulty temperature sensor, or more likely the gas valve is failing and needs replacing.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.